Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. It's 2:45 in the morning. I woke up to pee and I just saw where SPX was. We actually hit lows of 371, more than likely 370 for the SPY. The dollar has actually hit my target of 112 already for the 2 weeks, which is um, bad. It's good, right? Because targets hit, but it's bad because it got there um, way faster than I initially thought. And shit's about to get real really fast. And things feel extremely crashy right now. So I am officially putting everybody under a flash crash warning. I think 365 is guaranteed by next Friday, and more than likely, I can confidently say that we are probably going to new lows, right? And again, this is the same thing that I've been saying for a very long time. I sold my whole portfolio at 430, and I've been extremely short since buy hit $430. Um, Again, you already started to wick down to that 371. There's a chance that you might actually do something like this. You might actually bounce from here, retest these highs, and then drop all the way down. But I think by next week, I think 365 is guaranteed. Not only that though, but I do think that because we are headed to 365, and we are going to be closing a 4 hour, essentially, this is the first 4 hour violent close that we're going to be closing in a while. And last time we closed the violent close was back here, was September 15th. And you actually ended up dropping after this VC, right? And my Patreon members would know exactly what this is. You kept dropping towards, you dropped $12, right? A $12 drop from here would take you to $12. And how long? $12 in a day? Jesus fucking Christ. We'll do this. We'll do it by Monday, right? We'll do $12. Yeah. A $12 drop would take us to $360, which is obviously down to new lows. And I'm telling you right now, I think those lows. I think if we break this low of 363, the next really actual big support level for SPY is probably somewhere right here around 354, 355, right? So we could add a solid support level right there. After that, you probably have this level of, let me see, this level here, probably 343. I'd say 343 is the next major level for the SPY, for SPX. Oops. And then after we break that, you're probably going to see this next level here of 332, right? But again, our target range since 430 has been between 320 and 340, right? That's been target range. There you go. These are going to be your targets right here. So we'll do this, right? So right now, we are here. My target range is between here to here, right? And that target has been, that target was open since 4:30. But either way, I'm officially putting us under a flash crash warning. This is kind of insane. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.